Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another video. I'm going to be making Cha Cha beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be making Cha Cha beat. So, when you launch your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this. You right click, and you click here open. But for me, I've already launched my chat. I've already launched my FL Studio before start making my Cha Cha beat. Cha Cha beat. So, I'm going to repeat again. When you launch your FL Studio, put your cursor on top of the FL Studio app. You right click, then you click open. But for me, I'll just click here, enter my FL Studio. I was still working on the project. I'm going to click on file, then click on new to start a new project. I'm going to start a new project. That's okay. Now, this is my channel rack. I'm going to click on add, then I'll click on harmless. After that, I'll put my cursor on top of this empty space. I'll left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 6. Then on here, blocking the options, I'll click here, presets. I'm going to click on keys, pick this one called brightness. So I'll put my cursor on top of channel 6. On my channel rack, I'll right click, then click on piano roll. That's it. So after that, today I'm not going into details in this one. I'm just going to click here on select, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. After that, I'm going to click on add here, click on my bow bars, then put my cursor here, left click, hold it, turn my mouse wheels, channel 6, put my cursor here, right click, then click on piano roll. After that, I'm going to just program the bass melodies. Now, after my 4 bars of my Cha Cha beat, I'm going to highlight it, press Ctrl and B, extend it. The next step is I'll program my hi-hats. I'll just put my cursor here, right click, then click on piano roll. After that, after my one pattern, my 1 bar, I'm going to press Ctrl and B. The next step is on snare, I will right click, then click on piano roll. At the end of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how I'm putting my snare. Another bounce like this. That's okay. That's okay. the next step is I'll make sure I use these tools at the left. I'm going to click open my drums. I'm going to click open my drums. On left click, hold it, drag to channel 1, right click, then click on piano roll. And this is how it's going to sound. And program my key like this. This is how I'm programming my kick. That's it. I'll click on channel 1, click on this effect, target, then turn the bass knob right up. That's okay. I'll just turn my bow bar channel 7. Now, I'm not going into details today because I will just explain. After making your beat, take note of this channel rack here. And take note of this playlist. Take note of this playlist here. When you drag and drop your beat, make sure you switch to the pattern mode here so that you are going to play the beat here, the beat that is playing here. For example, I'll put my cursor here on pattern 1, right click, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything our program has appeared at the top left corner of my FS0. I'll click on my kick, click into my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click on my playlist, click on my snare, click into my playlist, click on my last melody, my first melody, and click again on my bow bars, click to my playlist. After that, take note of this here, up here. Always make sure you drag it, you put your cursor like this. When this arrow come out, left click and hold it, then drag it to the left to make sure it gets smaller so that you're going to see what you're doing. Use these tools up here. Click on select, where you can see press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, then press Ctrl and B several times to extend your beat. After that, I'll click on this one, draw, remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. Now click on select, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat again. Very simple. That's it. And then to extend your beat to the outro, I'll click on this draw tool, click on the brightness, then click here, click on these bow bars, then click here. After that, make sure you can still remove the snare here, remove the hi-hat here to create a different bounce on your beat. Then on 3 and 4, I'll put my cursor, right click on my mouse, then click on create automation clip. This function is to control the volume automatically. On channel 4, I will right click, then click create automation clip to control the volume automatically again. Now let's see the pattern, and this is how it looks. That's okay. Now let me do some settings again. On this buffer length, I'm going to switch it to channel 10 because the CPU was catching. That's why. But let me reverse a bit too. I'll reverse the first melody. How to reverse a melody? I'm going to show you today how to reverse a melody. On channel 6, turn here, Amdix recording, press Alt and R, then start to render your melody. Now you are rendering a melody. This is how you reverse a melody. Now let's wait a little bit for it to render. It's going to take a little bit of time. To render the melody. Since it's taking time, let's just pause here because it's still going to take time. But this is how you render your melodies. But let me just like close the rendering. Because it's going to take a little bit of time. Just see you next time in another video.